Hello birdies, hi, welcome back to my channel, Kemari Reaction. How are you guys doing today? So guys, I'm back again with SB19 part 3, episode 3, to Making of the Fam, the music video What? So the first two videos we get to see behind basically the composing, the production side, and then episode 2 we get to see them dancing and practicing heavily trying to get this choreo for the video. So hopefully episode 3 we give us basically them filming their videos and doing their makeup and their wardrobe and stuff. So I'm curious to see how it's gonna go. As always, I'm happy to see Ken. Scene. It's a mystery that all windows are shut at me before one, but I want to open up. Come on with the scriptures. Okay, Beyonce. Yes. Yes, thank you, Justin, for that. They should really get a shampoo commercial.
So, we're gonna go up. Hair salon.
Hey, doll. So this is a hair salon.
Hello! Update ko na kayo sa buhok ko.
Come on with this moisturizing skin.
Ang sakit. Kala ko manhid na ako, hindi pa pala.
Tulad
si ate, sinaktan ako gamit bleach. Pero okay lang kasi ginusto ko naman to. Hindi ko alam anong kakalabasan ng unang bleach, pero siguro medyo brown lang. Pero sabi nila ate, pag daw pinatungan to ng isang color, baka daw light pa yung mas mangyari. Kaya let's see anong kakalabasan. Sisimula na lagyan ng si Jack, extensions. Wala ka bang masasabi? Kinakabahan ako. Walang isang
Oh, this is for the extension.
Dapat si Ja last next time may na extensions. May extensions na rin si Ja. Oh no. Ididikit na po siya sa buhok ni Ja. Pag ganun pala dinidikit yun. Sana nakikita niyo ng malinaw. Naramdaman ko na. Ooh.
Inches.
Natikba lang. Pagmuha kang Ja, alam ko. Kami tatlo. Diba, si June, Ken, ikaw.
First 2 days masakit to pag natutulog ka. Kasi
nabanat yung buhok. Sa bunutan. Mahirapan ako mag-quintas kasi sabit siya.
Guys, pakilala ko lang pala sa inyo yung girlfriend ko. Kaya lang kasi hindi ko siya ngayon makakausap kasi busy siya hindi dapat sweet. Pinapaayos pa niya yung dapat i-mute niyo yung boses ni Ja. Kasi busy siya, pinapaayos niya pa yung buhok niya. Pero ayun, mamaya na natin siya kausapin pagtapos na yung makeover niya. So ayun, enjoy mo lang yan, babe.
That's Josh.
6, 7, and bounce, and doggy, 1, and bounce, and block,
Alright,
kailangan mo natin bumalik sa one line. Piligin yung natin. Tawa, tapos ito mapapasok sa doon. Tawa, tapos pwede mag-interact muna. Tapos pagkabalik mo,
Justin
dapat
Bieber.
Dapat sa lupa, aki. Pilipin. Ano na kaya natin? Singin nyo? Or sanay kayo dito?
So I'm assuming they did it here earlier, the same day or the day before, and they're practicing before the filming of the music video. One more last sketch up before the video starts. Nice. Hey.
Tapos na kami, actually, happy naman ako sa nangyari today kasi pinolish ko yung routine namin. Pero yung mga pinakakailangan namin i-shoot yung chorus 1, chorus 2, dance break, the last chorus. Yun talaga yung nag-focus kaming ayusin. And sobrang happy naman ako kasi nalinis naman siya. I think we are ready for the music video shoot naman.
Okay. Back, back. They better give the K-pop boys a run for their money.
Day 1 ng music video shoot namin. And wala pa dito yung tatlo, si Ken, si Stel, and si Pablo. Wala pa sila kasi mamaya pa yung shot nila. Pero ngayon, si Josh, kanina pa siya umaga dito. Nag-shoot na siya ngayon, patapos na siya, tapos ako nito next. Let's go!
Pwede
naman po,
Pwede mong laruin yung time. Pero pwede natin i-walk through natin. Sa hash o sa staff, no?
Basta yung buong kamo.
Malaki dapat kasi nito eh. Kitang-kita dapat.
Saks, gusto ko ipa-block yung... Pero okay lang ba? Yung linya dun.
Wow.
Yung linyang to.
Doon sa tighter pwede doon na yung
Come on, Josh.
Maganda mo!
galing nit. Kahit yun.
Super, ano siya, exciting.
Oh.
Yung ganun yung feeling ko kanina talaga. Parang na-enjoy ko na ito na natutuloy na yung music video namin for a month. Kasi parang matagal na namin ginagawa itong kanta na to. And syempre, pandemic nga, medyo mahirap kumilos. So ngayon lang kami nagka-opportunity. Ngayon lang medyo parang na-fill out lahat-lahat ng mga bagay.
Come on, Justin.
Pero yung shot na kasi dito eh. May example na yun lang talaga yung shot mo. Tapos kamay. Tapos ikot. Tapos harap. Walang kanta!
Gusto namin ipakita kung ano yung meron kami. Lahat
That
binivisualize
was good, Justin. That was good.
Ano kailangan natin ipakita, ano yung gusto natin ipakita, something different, and kahit mo sa music video, hinahanda talaga namin yung sarili namin na dapat ganito, nag-imagine kami, ganito yung kakalabasan, na-excite na ako, so, grabe din yung pagkakanta namin, hindi lang as parang responsibility, hindi lang doon, pero as a tao na gusto yung ginagawa.
So, galaw-galaw ka lang, Ken. Bigyan mo ng si Carlo ng mga tatlong movement. Yan, nakahiga.
Isa lang. Yan muna dalawa. Ito lang.
Back to Come on, Ken.
Iwasan natin Ken kumanta. Mas wagi pa.
What?
Yun!
Ooh. Bah. Wow.
Wow, creative director. Wow.
Good job. Good job.
Nakakatuwa kasi alam niyo naman na isa sa mga pangarap ko is mag-direct, makapag-produce ng palabas, ganyan. So, ngayon, kahit para sa music video pa namin, sobrang nakakatuwa, na-excite ako sa kakalabasan kasi syempre, yung mga ideas ko, yung mga naisip ko, yung mga pinagplanuhan ko, parang makikita ko na siya in actual and alam mo yun, ini-imagine
Oh,
ko
he did a storyboard too?
Sobrang sarap sa feeling and siguro ang gusto kong mangyari sana sa kakalabasan ng music.
Wow, they really put a lot of creativity in this
Hindi
project.
lang ako yung masasatisfy sa
And it
creative
shows.
director, pero gusto kong
It shows.
masatisfy lahat ng taong involved, lahat ng manonood. Sana magustuhan nila, matuwa sila, and maintindihan nila yung mga meaning na nilagay ko dun sa music video. Kumbaga, marami kasi akong deep, marami akong ano-anong pinagagagawa. So sana makita nila yon. So ayun.
Ngayon talaga dapat namin gagawin yung part na
Hey guys, so that was SB19 Making the Fam. That was episode 3. As I said before, episode 1 we see the composition, we see them recording in the studio. Episode 2 we see them dancing, rehearsing. Episode 3 we see them getting their hair, the wardrobe done, and filming this video. I'm excited for it, so thanks to the ones who recommend direct these videos. I really do appreciate it. SB19, we see the work, the hard work and the creativity within this project and music video. Well done. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I go to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Bye.